fresh air. Hello and welcome to the unboxing and a quick look at this, the multifunctional ozone purifier by Rife Wave Health Resonators. Taking a look around the box, you'll see it's neat and it's descriptive. It explains some of the details of what an ozonator is all about. But it's when we open it now and jump inside that we'll really get to experience the true magic of using this kind of device. First thing first, let's unbox the device and see what comes inside. Taking it and opening it up here, you'll see it's incredibly neatly packaged, and it's when you slide the device out that you're first greeted with, well, the instructional cards and manuals on top, and there it tells you a little bit about the details: a whiff of fresh air, healing with ozone properties, as well as the nature and breakdown of the ozone machine and what it's used for. It also tells you 30 minutes to ozonate an entire room, all the air around you, 5 minutes to ozonate something like a glass of water, 10 minutes to ozonate an entire jug of water, and 20 minutes to ozonate a cup of olive oil, for instance. We also get a quick and easy instructional guide here in the box. And apart from this, we are of course greeted with the device itself, neatly packaged and in plastic here. This, of course, is the ozonator itself with its standard power adapter plug. And what you also get in the box here is, of course, your cabling and pipework, as well as your 2 diffuser stones used to ozonate. Once you've connected the device to the wall plug, you of course connect your diffuser stone, put it into something like this, for instance, a jug of water. Then you can simply set the program you're going to use and start running the program. Now within only a matter of moments, the device is set up, ready ozonating a jug of water there. That'll take just a couple of moments to ozonate, or you can of course do the same with a glass of water, for instance, or that of the entire environment of a room within just 30 minutes. As you can see using the device, you get a neat and clear display. It tells you the amount of time as well as the functions. Should it be used for fish-based products, meat, fruit for instance, or that of the environment. There's also a ton of different health applications, more of which can be found out using a link in the website description down below.